Hello my knife friends, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you a Northwoods Knives Indian River Jack in red sawcut bone. So I was really lucky to get this in a drop. I don't own any Northwoods knives, so I wanted to show it to you. So before I show you the knife, it comes with this sticker, Northwoods sticker, and it comes with this copper coin. It's got the Northwoods on there and the knife, and it just comes like in a little bag, no tube or anything else, and it says the Northwoods Knives Indian River Jack red sawcut bone. Okay, that aside, it comes with a nice slip. It says Northwoods on here. So that's nice. And here's the knife, the red sawcut bone. Might have too much lighting on there. You can see that. This is a pretty thin knife. The fit and finish on it is excellent. It's just a beautiful knife. Nice nickel bolsters. So this knife is 3 5/8 inches closed. And it's got the spear point blade. See that? And the blade is 2 3/4 inches from tip to bolster. Really nice knife. Nice half step. Nice sawcut bone. Cross-cut sawcut bone. You got your brass pins. It's a nice half step. You can hear that maybe. Snap. It's got the arrowhead shield on the sawcut bone. Some people like it, some do not. I like it for the Indian heritage, history. What a beautiful little knife. So these were selling for like $150 or so. Now this is a 35 pattern, which GEC makes, which is similar to this this beer and sausage knife here. You can see the size, that they are the same. Now the thickness is different. Like, this one's real thick because it's got more tools on here, which you can see in my another video. I'll do a review on this one. But yeah, this is the 35 pattern. Just wanted to show you a comparison with that. Yeah, real nice knife. They're hard to get on a drop. They sell really fast. I just wanted to show it to you. Well, I think that's about it. I don't know what else to say about it. Comes with a nice sheath to put it in. It's in there real nice. Okay, that'll do it for the Northwoods Indian River Jack, red sawcut bone. Really nice quality knives. So I hope you have a nice day, nice evening, wherever you are. Enjoy your day. I wish you the best. Take care until next time. Bye.